I have imported quite a number of different kinds of products from China, and I'm going to tell you my experience so far. Please stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about China quality. Please stay tuned. Where do I start from? Okay, I started China importation since the year 2020. And yes, the coronavirus year. And thanks to Jumia Nigeria, I was able to sell my product very fast. I made a video on how to sell on Jumia. I think you should check it out. And I'm going to link it up here so you can have a look at the video. So you can also learn how to sell on Jumia and make a lot of money. Like I said earlier, I started China mini importation in the year 2020, and I started gradually. At first I was using third party, I mean agents. Yes, so I was actually using an agent when I first started. I didn't bring importation knowledge from heaven, so I also learned before I became an agent myself and a coach. Since I started importation, I hardly buy anything from Nigeria. Why should I? When I can easily get whatsoever product I need from China at the comfort of my home with just my mobile phone. My clothes, my kids' clothes, kitchen utensils, just name it. All these, I get them from China. I have had different kinds of experience with China product quality. Now, let me show you. This right here is one of the first clothes I bought from China. See, I have worn the life out of this particular dress right here because I so much love it. The thickness, check it out. See, I actually used it for a photo shoot for my daughter's 1 year birthday in the year 2020. It's a very long, gown. So when I saw that, the quality of the other one is very okay, I had to go for another one. So that's when I got this one. This was the second gown I got, and you can see, can you see it? The quality is also very nice, very thick. Look at it, very beautiful. So I cannot come here and be saying what I have not, but if you see anything on me, if you see me wear any clothes, just know that it's from China. Apart from this one though, this one is a gift. This top I'm wearing is actually a gift from my big mommy. Thank you, ma. So this one is not from China, it's a gift from my beautiful mommy. This one right here is a jumpsuit. Let me get up so you can see it very well. It's a jumpsuit that I used for my birthday 2020. Yeah, 2021 birthday. I'm going to put the picture so that you see it. It's a very good quality material. I've gotten a lot of clothes. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm just going to show you a few of the clothes. So just check out, this is a jumpsuit. Look at the material that was used. It's a very beautiful material. This one here is the recent one I got. It's a two-piece. This is the trouser. I even did unboxing of it when it arrived. So I just want you to see the quality. Can you check out the qualities? Look at the thickness. Very nice. Look at my daughter's school bag. She actually has a bigger one, but she has taken it to school. I would have shown you to check out the quality of this bag. Look at it. Look at the quality. This bag, I throw it inside the washing machine and it washes it perfectly well and nothing has happened to it. She has been using it for the past 2 years. This is the first bag I bought for her when she started school, and they said it was too small, so I had to get another one, a bigger one, and it's of the same quality. So look at it, the thickness. Look at it. This is the one my daughter wore for Christmas. I got it from China as well. I even did an unboxing of it when it arrived. It's a two-piece also. This is the skirt. Check out the quality. Feel it. I know you can feel it from the camera. Just feel it. This is the one my son wore. This is the shirt. Look at the quality. Look at the quality of the knicker. I've washed it. Do you know what happened? When I wanted to wash clothes, I separated these two clothes. That okay, since it is color red, it might fade. So that's why I separated them. Do you know that when I was washing these two together, it didn't fade? No red in the water, nothing. So that's to tell you that the quality is actually good, right? Like I said before, there's nothing I don't get from China. So check out these beautiful socks I got for my baby. And they're cute. There is more. You can see this one is even boldly branded in Chinese language. This one is ankle socks. Very cute. See it, branded in Chinese language. Check out the quality of the socks. I hope you can see that the quality of the clothes from China is actually okay. I remember when I gave birth to my first child, my husband's colleagues came from abroad, US and UK, and they gifted my baby some clothes, and guess what was written on it? Made in China. I also recall when one of my cousin came from Dubai a few years ago, and then I had not even started this China importation, and the clothes she bought from Dubai, it was written made in China. One thing I want you to know is that China products are all over the world. Most of all the biggest companies in the world have their factories in China, where they manufacture products and brand them subsequently. One thing I know about products generally is that they come in different quality and different prices. One thing I love about China is they create space for everyone, the rich, the average man, and the poor. They know that someone could love a particular shoe and might not be able to afford it. So they will make that same design of shoes and reduce the quality of the materials, which automatically reduces the price for a common man to be able to afford. Hence why you see low quality Gucci, Balenciaga, and so on. Therefore, you cannot see a product for 20,000 naira and at the same time see a product for 5,000 naira and then expect the product to be of the same quality. If you decide to go for the cheapest, then you should also expect cheap quality. Abi no be so? If you see a product for 20,000 naira and at the same time you see that same product for 5,000 naira, and then you decide to buy the cheapest, and by the time the product arrives you start complaining of the quality, shey you dey whine me. What were you expecting? Oh, you think the manufacturers do not have sense, or they stole the materials they use in the production? Okay, let me give you an example of what I'm trying to say here. Look at this bag. It's a two-piece bag. I'm going to show you so you can compare the quality. It's a two-piece bag. Look at the mini one. Check out the quality. Then this is the the big bag. Look at this quality. Look at the quality of this bag. Check out the quality of this bag. Can you see that? Can you see the thickness? Now let me show you another bag. Look at this bag. Look at it. Look at the inside of the bag. Obviously, you know that this bag is not of the same price. So look at this one. See it. Can you see it? Let me show you this one again. Look at, and it's even a two-piece. Look at the inside of this one. And look at the quality. This is a bag one we use for a very, very long time. I've been using it for like 1 year now. I also got it from China. You know, can you see the thickness of this bag? So this is what I'm trying to explain when I'm talking about products that generally product comes in different qualities and also different prices. Sometimes I feel we Africans are not grateful. Chinese are the ones who gave us the opportunity to access products of different quality and corresponding prices. If not for them, we would have been in abject poverty in this Africa. Look at the Igbos in Nigeria. They made their wealth from importation. I even hear they have Chinese language courses in some of their Eastern university. However, I'm not going to come here to tell you that I have not had my own fair share of low quality product from China. So I'm going to show you one gown I got 2 years ago, and I used it for my birthday. Yes, I used it for my birthday 2 years ago now, and the quality okay, just wait, let me show you. Look at this gown. You can see how much it has faded. I got it from China, and I wore it just once, and the second time I wanted to wear it, after I kept it in the wardrobe, I realized that it has faded completely, and since that time I've been unable to wear it. I'm going to drop the picture on the screen so you can see how beautiful the gown was. So this is to tell you that I've also had my own fair share of low quality products from China, but that has not stopped me from buying goods from China, and that obviously has not stopped people from importing goods from China. Like I usually say, if 60% of products we consume in this country is imported, then 40% is from China. So guys, in conclusion, we should only complain about China products quality when we Africans start manufacturing products close to theirs or better than their own. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, please at this point do well to subscribe, like, drop comment, and also share this video with your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye bye. So I saw it on Instagram and it's been sold 18,500. Can you imagine? And the dress and the wig I'm also wearing here is also from China. This one is also from China too.
I carry something that cannot be resisted. It is called the force of the Holy Ghost. Both the man, the woman, the children, the old, the young, they have no choice but to listen.